We'll guide you through how to send a document for signing in Docusign. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on Docusign. If you're yet to go and get Docusign, we'll put our link in the pinned comment and the description. We greatly appreciate you using it. It goes and supports the channel. But you've got a document that you want to go and get signed. Perhaps it's an agreement, a contract, or something like that. Docusign is a great way of going and getting it signed. So we're going to guide you through this step by step with what you need to go and do. Make sure it's full guide, as you may go and miss something that you're wondering how you can go about it. So what you want to do is you want to come to the home page on Docusign, and you want to make sure that you've got your document ready. So I've got mine already on my desktop here, GR agreement, and I've actually got it open here. So you may just want somebody to go and sign it, or you may want to go and sign it yourself as well. Don't worry, we're going through all of that in this video. So on the Docusign homepage, you want to find the option send an envelope or press start, hover over envelopes and press send an envelope. Go and wait. And then what you can do is in add document is go and press upload and go and press desktop. Now you can go and find the document you want to go and do this with. So mine was, let's go and find it. It's the GR agreement. So I can then go and find it and select it and press open, and it will then go and upload. So now what we need to do is go and add in the recipients. We can click here. So you could also just be signing it yourself as well. So you could select I'm the only signer. Now what you can do is go and start adding in here. So if you're going to be signing it as well, I tend to start with me. If we click here, I'm actually getting suggested myself. So I can click on my name and I'll go and add in my email. And we can come to the right and just press needs to sign. You can also do a bit of a customization here as well. You can go and select signature type, add access code, add a private message, and you can go and choose signature type as well. I leave that as default. Then we can press add recipient, and now we could go and add somebody else. So I could go and click on name, and I could then go and start typing in their name. So let's go and say they're called Rob Tucker. Then what you could do is go and type in their email here. So I'm going to go and do that now. Once again, come over to the right and choose what they need to do and customize it to your liking. Press add recipient if you've got more people to add, and you can press add a message, and you can customize the subject of the email and also add a message. So you could go and say what it's for, and you can choose a category as well. And when you're ready, go and press next in the bottom right. Now the document's going to open up. You can go and zoom a bit out at the top as it is quite zoomed in. And now what we can do is go and start choosing what we want here. So you can come over to the left and see the different fields we can go and use. So of course, probably the primary thing we're going to add is signature. So click signature, and then you can choose where you want it to be. So you can go and click. And what you can do is come to the right and choose whose signature you want you've added. So I want to start with myself. So I'm going to have my name there. You can come over to the left and choose what else you want. So you may want to go and have their name as well. So I could go and have that over to the right here. So I'll go and click. And then what you need to do is make sure you go and change it so it's the same. And then what we're going to do is add my signature. So I'll press signature, click there. And of course, that's already been set correctly, as that's sort of the default one it seems to go to. And we'll click name. Once again, that has already been selected correctly as well. You can come over to the left and add other fields as well. Then when you're ready, you can go and press send in the bottom right. And it's going to go and stay sending. And that's it. It's now been sent. And when we come here, we can then go and press track. But also if you go and press agreements at the top, we can go and see here that it needs to sign. Just to give you a quick preview of what the email sent will go and look like as well, it's that easy to go and do.